We are here in Adventure Academy, and we are about to start our journey. As we begin our adventure in this series, we are going to take a look at the different quests that we can take in the world of Adventure Academy, so that you can see what a great program this is. We're not going to be focusing too much on the educational content as we explore this playthrough. There are great videos, great content, great games, a lot of wonderful learning, and the style of learning is different. It's not quite through a curriculum. It's a fantastic game. We're absolutely loving it as a family. Let's go ahead and choose our gender, and then we'll move on to our face design and other things like that. All right, I think that here we go. Let's go ahead and get our green eyes there, and then that looks good to me. Let's choose our hair. Yeah, that's probably about what my hair looks like this morning. Okay, and let's go ahead and we can choose others. Let's see. Let's go for that. And then let's go ahead and choose our clothes. All right, and then we'll get some shoes on. There we go. So this is our outfit. There's a lot of different changes, a lot of very cool outfits that you can choose. And let's begin. This is our avatar, Mr. Inquiry. All right, let's confirm this. Yay! A lot of awesome emotes and things like that we can do. Let's go ahead and click play here. All right, and we are gonna. This is gonna be the introduction to the Academy for today. We probably won't see all of the areas, but that is okay. Our knowledge of the game will expand as we reach out.
Welcome to Adventure Academy. Every activity here presents a new adventure. You will gain valuable abilities as you progress with your studies, and more areas of adventure will become open to you. Happy adventuring!
So excited. Okay, here we are in the Commons. We have an arrow pointing us. It says click and drag the right mouse button to look around. So, giving us our instructions. Tap on Avery to talk to her. We also tap to move, so that's going to be a left tap.
Hi! It looks like we both have invitations to Adventure Academy. It's nice to meet another new student.
It's nice to meet you, Avery.
Look! My friend Alan is here to help us practice looking around. See if you can keep him in view.
Okay. All right. So I'm holding the right button, and we're taking a look to keep Alan. There we go. That was up far enough. Now we're going down. All right. He's swinging around. Okay, so he left, so we're ready to talk to Avery.
Nice job. All right. It's time for us to present our invitations to Headmaster Howell. Follow me.
I'm right behind you. All right, we're going to follow Avery inside, and we're going to move our button, and then we're going to follow the golden footsteps. The golden footsteps are going to help us get around, and when you see something light up like this, then we're able to enter that or interact with it. Here we go. I can't wait to meet Headmaster Howell. He is so nice. So beautiful, huh? Characters with exclamation points over their heads have quests for you. All right, let's click on Headmaster Howell. He's definitely got a quest.
Welcome. There are many wonders and mysteries in Adventure Academy, just waiting to be explored. Are you ready for your journey?
Yes.
I knew that invitation went to the right student. As you explore the Academy, be on the lookout for people with exclamation points like this over their heads. They will have quests for you.
I will, Headmaster Howell. Sure thing.
Speaking of which, I have a quest for you now. Follow Avery to the kiosk.
Okay. So welcome to Adventure Academy. Learn about the Adventure Academy kiosks. Our reward is going to be 40 XP and 100 gold. We'll get the Adventure Academy cape as well. That's awesome. We're definitely going to accept that. Now, the footprints are sending us out over here, and the bell has rung, so we might see some students coming here. So it says, do not enter. Do not enter. So we have to learn a little bit before we're free to enter those areas. And let's come on over here and talk to Avery. See how she has the exclamation point.
Oh, wow! A kiosk! I've heard so much about these. Through the knowledge contained in here, you can gain experience to expand the world and unlock many of the secrets of Adventure Academy.
Neat. All right, so let's go ahead and click on here. Oh, now we see the finger saying, hey, click here, buddy. All right, so it says, welcome to the kiosk. Here you can find fun videos, books, games, and more. Tap on the highlighted quest activity to watch the video to complete your quest. All right, so use your words. Portmanteaus is going to be our first quest. After this video, I'm going to go ahead and just walk you through different things that I do and how I approach learning on the kiosk with my daughter. All right, let's go ahead and... All right, so for doing activities, doing activities earns you experience and coins. We got 15 coins and 25 experience. And did you like that video? Let us know. So you can add it to your favorites. You can rate the activity as well. And then that will let them know that you enjoy the series of it or other things like that. There are many different series that it kind of goes over and talks about. And then you also can get XP 2 times for watching it. So if you're looking to level up your character or do the thing, then you can go ahead and do that. Let me see if I can click here and... There we go. Didn't stop the recording. Woohoo. Okay, so here in the kiosk, it says check back later to explore other activities in the kiosk. And it's not going to let me watch them because we have to X out of here. All right, we'll go back and I'll explain the kiosk in just a second in our next video. So level 2. Woohoo. We leveled up. That is awesome. I believe level 30 is the highest level right now. There's a lot to grow, and leveling up doesn't happen that quickly in this game, which I like. So we got our backpack, which is awesome. New items are available for purchase. New quests are available. Let's talk to Avery.
Woo! Looks like we got some XP and leveled up. Activities and quests are a great way to get XP and coins.
Good to know, Avery. Thank you.
I heard that when you're a high enough level, you'll get your very own house. I can't wait.
That sounds cool. It sounds really cool.
All right, let's go spend our coins. I think the campus shop is right over there.
Let's go. All right, so this is going to be our next video is a campus shop visit. Check out the campus shop. So we will go ahead and accept this quest in our next video. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe so you can see how these quests unfold. I really love Adventure Academy. It's been a great learning tool and a great supplement for my daughter, and an awesome way for us to go ahead and connect with her learning. We'll go over how I approach, using the kiosk probably in the next video. But it's a wonderful, wonderful world. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and also let me know if you use Adventure Academy. Take care. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, guys.